Hey everybody. So in our walking through the condo complex this morning, I came across some old AC units. This here is a newer looking Lennox that just shut off as we came upon it. Anyway, it was probably in heat mode given that it was 49 degrees here this morning. Over here we have another old Weather Tron quietly purring away. There are a lot of these around this place. Here's one just sitting there. And just down the way, we have another one. Here's an older GE. And it's pretty much like this other older GE that I saw around here and showed in an earlier video. I haven't seen any of these things in operation yet. And here's a newer York. And here's my neighbor's RUUD unit. And because this unit belongs to my neighbor, I didn't have to worry about getting busted taking pictures of the data sticker. It looks like this is a 3-ton unit that was manufactured in 2012. Anyway, the neighbor has mostly used this in heat mode in the time that I've been here since, well, it's been winter time. So no cooling for us. Yet, anyway. Here's another Weather Tron in our cul-de-sac. It belongs to one of our neighbors who rents, so they didn't care if I got up close to it. Now, as you can see, this thing is pretty rusty, so I've never seen the unit run, so I don't know whether the rust has gotten to it or not. Anyway, it's a 2-ton unit that was made in 1983, and yeah, you can tell that the years have not been kind to this piece of machinery. Anyway, with that, I will conclude this video. Hope you enjoyed seeing these old units, and we will have more to come, so stay tuned. Later.